Learning how to use new tools like these oil pastels takes practice. To give me a head start and ease my mind, I've chosen a subject that I've drawn and painted countless times. My goal is to find oil pastel techniques that suit my style of creating soft, delicate, and lively portraits. To cover the thin surface of this sketch pad, I'm lightly coloring this traced outline of a tuxedo cat with black and purple. For darker values, simply add more pressure to the strokes. You can certainly blend this way by layering one color over the other, or you can use a tissue to blend the light layers. Blending with a tissue is much easier when the layers are light. The paper in this sketch pad is fairly smooth, which makes blending a breeze. I use it mostly for pen and pencil drawings, but from now on there will be more oil pastel work in there too. Because this pack has a limited number of colors, I will layer several colors to get the right shade. To blend smaller areas, a Q-tip works nicely. You can also use it to create a soft effect by dabbing some color on the Q-tip and smearing it. If the layer is light, it is even possible to erase mistakes and clean up a bit. Having a limited palette of colors helps you make the most of what you have, and also makes it easy to achieve color harmony. Since the drawing was looking too plain, I decided to add a blue background. Using one solid color is too predictable, so I'm going to add a few for interest. Squiggle, layer, and blend. Adding definition is easy when the oil pastels are new and have sharp edges. When they lose their sharpness, you can use a knife to scrape off excess color and carve out details like whiskers and highlights. Even a tapered dowel, a cuticle stick, or a toothpick would do. Oil pastels are thick, waxy, and can be difficult to control, but finding techniques that work with your style will help you tremendously. Start by drawing familiar subjects and then keep challenging yourself. Here's the finished tuxedo cat portrait. I hope you found this oil pastel demo useful. Thanks a lot for watching.